So on this question here, we're asked to determine basically whether it's either a linear or an exponential function. As we notice in our Triple T math document, we always say, don't look at the answer options right away, they'll only confuse you. However, it can be helpful to look at the answer format. And here we can see that the format is essentially a couple of linear options and a couple of exponential. So when we're determining whether it's linear or exponential, let's go ahead and notice what's occurring along the y-axis, or with the y coordinates rather. So it doesn't look like it's increasing or decreasing by the same amount. It increases by 5 at first, then by 10, then by 20, then by 40. Well, that's not linear in nature. It would have to have the same difference every time. Rather, it's multiplying by the same amount every time, by 2. So that is the common ratio, and that means it's something times b to the x. So the x should be raised to the 2 value, which is the common ratio, and that's consistent with C. So we could choose that option and move on. In case you're curious where the y-intercept comes from, that occurs when x is 0. So we're looking for the term right before the first one that's given to us. Well, if we're progressing to the right by multiplying by 2, to get to the term before it, we're going to divide by 2. So if we divide 5 by 2, we get 5 halves.